Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see CRUD operation. CRUD means create, read, update and delete operation. In a previous video, we will see how to create a database and how to create a collection, and in which inside a collection there is a document. Today we will see how to create a document, how to read document, how to update document and how to delete a document. So now get started. So firstly, I will open my command prompt and then I will start my server, that is Mongo shell. Now my server is started. If you don't know how to start a server, so you can see my first or second tutorial, um, especially my first tutorial in which I have explained about how to install a Mongo shell. Now, in previous video, we will see how to see a databases. Now this command is show dbs. That's we learn in a previous video. This is all our databases. In previous video we will create a this database, that is eagle. Now we will go inside a eagle. That for that we have to write a command, eagle use eagle. Now we have to see inside a collection. So for that we have to type a command, show collection. Now, inside Eagle, there is a collection that is employee. But inside employee, there is no document because in the previous video we have only see how to create a database and how to create a collection. Now we will see a CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, and delete operation. Now, firstly we have to see how to create a operation, how to create a document. For that, firstly we have to type a command, that is db dot your collection name, that is employee mp, then dot uh, then if you have to create a collection, sorry, document, then you have to type insert insert one, and in curly bracket, open bracket, then inside open bracket you have to type a curly bracket, and then you have to type a field, that is name colon, mm, double inverted comma. You have to type a name, that is her name is Roy, then comma, then second field, that is roll number. The roll number is 8. Roy's roll number is 8. Now we have to set a location field. Then inside the location is in Pune. Now close a curly bracket, close the open bracket, and press enter. Now acknowledgement is true, means our document is inserted successfully. Inserted ID. This is our inserted ID. That will we will see in a next video what is ID and what is its use, and we all see in our next video. But now in today's video we will see about a CRUD operation. So our document is created successfully. Now our second operation is a read operation. See how to read this our created document. Firstly we have to type db dot your collection name, that is our collection is employee dot uh, then we have to type a find and open bracket close bracket and press enter. Now this is your object id that is created randomly. Now a name Roy, roll number 8, location Pune. Now our document is created successfully, and our second operation, that is read operation, we will see. That is a read operation, db dot collection name, that is employee dot find, that is a read operation. For creating document, we have to use db collection name, that is employee, then insert one. In insert spelling, that one is capital, Then in bracket, in open bracket, that is curly bracket, that there is name field, then roll number, then location. Press enter. Acknowledgement true means your document is created successfully. Now we will see a update and delete operation. So firstly we have to see update operation. uh, Update operation, for update operation, write a command, db dot collection name employee dot update one, and then we have to, in bracket, curly bracket, then what we want to update, we want to update this document. Then first, our client name is, that is Roy. Now I have to change this name, that is Roy, so that name Roy, I want to change the name Roy to, uh, in a update operation, there is something twist that we see in a next 2 or 3 seconds. Then we have to write updated name, what we want to update name, that is name. And we want, instead of Roy we want Joy, or Ram, we want a Ram. Press enter. So this is through a error, that is update document required to automatic operator. So our syntax is correct, that is db employee, db, our collection name, that is employee, update one, and first field that we want to update, and second thing, that is instead of Roy we want to update a Ram. So our command is correct, but we want to add a one new automatic operator inside it. So let's, we will update it, db dot employee dot update one, and look at name, that is Roy, that we want to update, close curly bracket, then open curly bracket, then we have to set a operator, that is automatic operator. So percentage apply dollar set, then open curly bracket, then name, and instead of Roy we want to use a Ram, and that close curly bracket, and double close curly bracket. First curly bracket is that, and second curly bracket is this. So we will, both curly bracket is closed, then press enter. What is error? Oh, we will miss a colon. We will add a colon. We will add a colon here. We have to add a colon here. We want to add a colon. Now it is perfect. We will miss this colon. Now press enter. No. Match count is 1. Modification count is 1. Means our document is successfully updated. Now we will see updated document, db dot collection name, that is employee. Then find. So instead of Roy, there is a Ram. So our updated document is updated successfully. Now we will see our last operator, that is delete operator. For that, firstly we will create a, in a delete operator we will delete a one document, that is this RAM document. For that, we have to create a one new document. For that we will clearly understand key one document is deleted. So we will create a another document, that is db dot employee dot insert one, then that is a name is, now we will add जॉय नहीं, गणेश, गणेश, and their roll number is 20 and location is Akola. Okay, close curly bracket, close open bracket. Now it's true. Now, find. Now there is a two documents here. So we want to delete a one document, that is we want to delete this document, that is the RAM. So type a command, that is db dot. Then for deleting we have to write firstly our collection, that is employee. Then delete delete one, and we have to add a field name, that is name. We have to delete a RAM and close it. So press enter. Acknowledgement true means our document, that is RAM, is deleted successfully. Let's get check. db dot employee dot find. Now there is only one document, that is Ganesh, and this RAM document is deleted successfully. Now today's video we will see a CRUD operation: create, read, update, and this last is a delete operation. So in our next video we will see a further, that is insert operation in our next video. So bye.